Hello everyone, today I want to tell you about 3 amazing free AI tools that you can use right now. Most of these tools don't even need you to create an account. Let me show you these tools one by one. Pixnova AI Photo Outfit Changer. This is a completely free tool that changes clothes in your photos. You don't need to sign up to use it. Here's how it works. Go to the website and find AI Fun Tools. Click on AI Clothes Changer. Upload your photo. Type what clothes you want to see, like red shirt and blue jeans. Click Generate and download your new photo. Text-to-speech online. This is a simple, free voice generator that doesn't need sign-up. Paste your text in the box. Choose your language. Pick a voice. Adjust speed and pitch if you want. Click play to hear the result.
Either write in this text box or paste your own text here. Try different languages and voices.
You can try different voices and languages until you find what you like. ToolBaz All-in-One AI Suite. This is a powerful website with many free tools. No sign-up needed. Use their story generator. Create AI images. Choose from different AI models like Gemini 2.0 and OpenAI. Write your instructions. Generate your content. All these tools are completely free to use. You don't need to pay anything or use your credit card. Just visit the websites and start creating. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.